Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S2, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here tap to the sound section. Now just go here to the notification sounds, and as can you see we got now just the silent mode here on our notification sound, and you can just select one from these available notification sounds. For example, we'll go with the letter one, and now just go back, and one more time we go back, and you'll see here that our notification sound has changed successfully to the letter one. And that's it, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.